subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Indian smartphone maker Lava has silently launched its new 5G-enabled smartphone under Blaze series called Lava Blaze 1X. Now let's see the specifications of the smartphone. The Lava Blaze 1X 5G features a 6.5-inch HD Plus IPS display with 90Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone supports a triple camera setup at the top left corner that includes a 50-megapixel main camera along with a 2-megapixel secondary lens and a VGA sensor. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6GB of LPDDR4 extra RAM that can be extended up to 5GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 out of the box, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 15W fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.3 by 76.4 by 8.9mm, and it weighs around 207 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Lava Blaze 1X 5G has been suggested to price around 12,000 Indian rupees, and it will be available in glass blue and glass green color options. So what do you guys think of this Lava Blaze 1X 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.